Welcome. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to fix unexpected client behavior on Roblox, specifically error code 268. Experiencing this error can be frustrating, but we've got some quick fixes to get you back in the game. First, try restarting your Roblox client. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. If that doesn't work, let's ensure your Roblox client is up to date. Go to your Roblox settings and check for any available updates. Outdated clients can often cause unexpected behavior. Another quick fix is to verify the game files for the specific game you're having trouble with. In the Roblox client, navigate to the Library tab and locate the game. Click on the three dots beneath the game title and select to verify files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and attempt to repair them. If you're still encountering the error, your antivirus software might be interfering with Roblox. Temporarily disable your antivirus and try launching Roblox again. If the error is resolved, you'll need to configure your antivirus to whitelist Roblox or create an exception. If the quick fixes didn't do the trick, we can explore some advanced fixes. One option is to reinstall Roblox entirely. Uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox can often resolve more persistent issues. Another advanced fix is to perform a clean boot of your Windows system. This process involves disabling all non-essential services and programs during startup, which can help identify if any conflicts are arising. Additionally, you can try flushing your DNS cache. On Windows, you can do this by running the command irconfig flushes in the command prompt. For Mac users, open the terminal and run the command sudo killall mdrespondem. Now let's address error code 268 specifically. This error often indicates an issue with your internet connection. First and foremost, to ensure you have a stable internet connection, check your network cables for Wi-Fi signal strength. If your internet connection seems fine, try resetting your router. Unplug your router for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for it to fully restart. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and are still facing error code 268, it's best to reach out to Roblox support for further assistance. They have dedicated teams to help resolve technical issues and can provide personalized guidance. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.